Okay, we're going to continue working with the verb to have in French, avoir. In previous lessons, you learned how to say I have, j'ai, you have, tu as. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to say he has. He has, il a. He has, il a. He has, il a. He has, il a. So let's apply what you've learned. Remember the infinitive to have, avoir. He has, il a, car, une voiture, a bicycle, un vélo, a dog, un chien, a cat, un chat. If you want to make the statement, he has a car, il a une voiture, il a une voiture. He has a bicycle, il a un vélo, il a un vélo. He has a dog, il a un chien, il a un chien. He has a cat, il a un chat. To continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. À bientôt.